Welcome back. Randy here with Retire with Options. It's been about a week since I posted a video, and I just thought I'd catch up on some of the options that I've bought and sold. Um, Starting down here, I had a little drip from 3M. That's no big deal. I sold a Visa put. Yeah, it's kind of hanging out there, not doing much. 3M got a downgrade last week or early this week, and so it was kind of going against me. So I took my June 19th 165 put and rolled that out to July 31st 20 put, 160 put for very similar prices, but that rolls it out and gives that stock a little bit of time to recover. And if by June 19th it's still not recovered, I'll roll it out again. I did the same thing with a MasterCard put. As you know, this last week we had that big $1,800 down day, so some of these got upside down. So I rolled out a June 19th 300 to a July 20 33 now 290 put. You can see I made a couple $100 on that put, and I just have to wait for that to get profitable. I had my AT&T block that I sold previously, and again, that big down day brought the price of T down, so I rolled it out to July 24th for a 32.50 put, just to give me more time to let that come back up. And I sold another Apple 325 put. I rolled my Tesla put. I bought it back for $1.61. Sold it for $24.05. And by the end of the day, it went out against me a little bit. It's about $28.10, but I feel real comfortable. That's going to come back early next week. And I rolled out my Amazon put. Bought it back for $3.98. Sold the next one for $21.70, and that one's already profitable for me by about $378 in a day. My daily totals are running around $2,000 a day, and I just keep using the same stocks over and over. I'm going to start tweeting my trades now on Twitter, so just look me up at Retire with Options, and I'll post them real time so y'all can play along. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and these are not advice, but you're welcome to take them and do with them as you please. If you have an interest in following this, I'd appreciate it if you just hit that like and subscribe button. It lets me know that you're interested in what I'm doing. And if you have any other suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. I'd be glad to incorporate them. Again, I'm still offering one-on-one Zoom time with people who are interested in learning to trade options, completely free of charge, as long as you're serious about learning the trade. And that's about all I got this week. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.